Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we are going to be taking a look at replacing a fog light the easy way on a Toyota Tacoma 2013. So, just got done recently doing this, replacing the bulb, and a lot of the videos show you having to come around and undo the screws on the from the inside of the fender to be able to access the bulb. But I found a little shortcut on here. We'll whip out the cardboard here and grab a flashlight, so you can actually see that you can get into replacing the bulb by coming around underneath the vehicle. So, you know, here's our H11 in there. You might be able to see it. Let me see. I'll reach in here, and all I gotta do is come over here. Well, I can't see what I'm doing. Basically just have to come in, reach around, grab that bulb, rotate it, and pull it out. And if you need to, there are some screws on the back side that if you have a shorty, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see. There's some screws down in there. And then if you have a shorty Phillips screwdriver, you can actually remove that whole housing. You know, there's just the two screws on the outside of it, to be able to remove the whole housing without having to take off the fender. So it is doable. You've got a shortcut, and that's an easy, quick way to replace the fog light bulb. It only takes about 5 minutes. So, just a quick little tip from Rust Bucket Adventures. Join us in the next one.